Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can post a blank message to your post or comment in your Instagram. So I'll post this in my post only. Okay, so you need a invisible text for this one, and I have already copied it to my frequent phrases. I'll click my comment. In the comment section I'll go to my frequent phrases, and this is the blank space, second one. Okay, and post. So you are done. So to get this blank space, see the description below. In between bracket, this blank space you have to copy it. So this is, guys. Likewise, you can post blank message in Instagram. So thanks for watching, guys.